In this topic, we will be learning about Dvandva Samasa. As we have learnt in Dvandva Samasa, Ubhaya Padartha Pradanaha Dvandvaha. So we will see what we will be learning. We will be able to learn the characteristics of Dvandva, examples and usage. This is a very, very, very easy Samasa. Prayaha Ubhaya Padartha Pradanaha Dvandvaha. Dvandvaha Dvidha Bhavati. Itaretaraha Samaharah. Now, Itaretaraha Dida Dvipada Dvandvaha Bahupada Dvandvaha. Now, what is the meaning of Itara Tara Dvandva? I will be telling in a minute. But in the example for Dvipada Dvandva, there are two words which are joining. Ramascha Krishnascha Ramakrishna. Hence it is called Dvipada Dvandva. In Harischa, Harascha, Guruscha, there are more than two words which are joining. Therefore, it is called Bahupada Dvandva. Very simple. Samahara, we will come to the Samahara example also in a moment. Now, if you see the Dvandva Samasa, Charte Dvandvaha. So, what happens is Dvandva Samasa occurs when we want to do a militanvaya, or we want to do the anvaya of the two words joining together with the Kriyapada. Ubhaya Padartha Pradhanaha Dvandvaha. So we try to join and make the Anvaya. We try to establish the relation of the Purvapada and the Uttarapada with the Kriya Pada in a combined fashion. Combined fashion in the sense they both do the same Kriya, or they both are associated with the same Guna, like that. So Samavesha. A Samavesha is happening. A Vishesha Shakti is obtained by the combination. If you see the example, we will know. So this Dvandva is having two kinds of yojanas. One is called a Itaretara Yoga and one is called the Samahara. Itaretara Yoga is where the components of the Samastapada are identified separately and they together get an Anvaya with a common Kriyapada. This is Itaretara Yoga. In Samahara, Samahara is a Samaharaha Samuhaha. It's a group. So Avayavaha, the components of the Samastapada, will get combined into a Samudaya, into a group. And the group gets the Pradhanya. Avayavaha Samudaye Antarhitaha Yada Bhavanti, Tada Samaharaha itu uchyate. Now let us see the examples of both Itaretara and Samahara. Rama Krishna, Ramaha cha Krishnaha cha Rama Krishna. Now in this case, Rama Krishna Gachataha, Rama Krishna Shalam Gachataha. So we want to indicate the Samavesha or Yoga or Yojana between Rama and Krishna because they go to the school together always. Brahma Vishnu Maheshwaraha, Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrughnaha. So the avayavas, the components of the samasa, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna, they need to be identified separately, but they have a Vishesha Samavesha in the Samastapada. Whereas in the Samahara, Panicha Padaucha Yetesham Samaharaha. Pani, the two hands and two legs. Suppose if you want to combine, we call them as limbs in English. So Pani Padam. Sometimes we address this two hands and two legs together, we require them together to use them in a sentence. That is when you have a Samahara Dvandva occurring. Rathikashwaroham. Rathikaha, the people on the chariot. Ashwarohaha, the people on the horses. So they have to be addressed sometimes together as a part of an army or something. So that is when you have Samahara. Putra Pautram, grandson, sons and grandsons. So siblings, children, like that. Putra Pautra. So Putra and Pautra together. So Putra Pautram. Here you have a Samahara. So Dvandva Samasa occurs in two forms. One is Itaretara Yoga and a Samahara. And it is indicated by the Chakara. Now, there were questions on some other class. There was a question on why the Chakara is added at the end. Say Ramahacha, Krishnahacha. Why should we add the Chakara even after Krishna? Now, what are this Chartha? The Chakara that is being used, Chakara is used in four meanings. One is Samuchayartha, Anvachayartha, Itaretara, Samahara. What is Samuchaya? Ishwaram Gurum cha Bhajasva. We tell somebody, Ishwaram Gurum cha Bhajasva. Worship the Ishwara and also the Guru. Here, Cha and it is just a Samuchaya. We are just combining, and these two are Pruthak Padartha, and we tell them that you do the bhajana. Here it is a Samuchaya, just a Samuchaya, just joining, and so one Chakara is used after the Guru. Anvachaya is Bhiksham Ata Gam Cha Anaya. So there was one Vidyarthi. He is supposed to take Bhiksha and come back and give it to the Guru. The Guru said, our cow is stranded somewhere. So when you go for Bhiksha, Bhiksham Ata, you go for Bhiksha, Gancha Anaya, also bring the cow while coming. Now, here you see the Chakara is used to indicate a secondary or an auxiliary activity which the person has to do. So this is one is Pradhana and one is Gauna. To indicate the Gauna or the Anushangika, this one Chakara is used. So Chakara is used in different sense. It is not always and. So also bring the cow. Bhikshamata, go for the alms, also bring the cow. Now these two are common usages which is not used in samasas. Now coming to the Itaretara Yoga, Dvandva Samasa, where Ramahacha, Krishnahacha, we want to do the Anvaya, or we want to relate the word Rama and Krishna to one Kriya Pada, and that is when the Itaretara comes. Ramahacha, Krishnahacha, Gachataha, Rama Krishna Gachataha. Now, in order to indicate the Itaretara Bhava, that extra Chakara is added after the Krishna. This question was asked by Srinivasan Nair in some other class. I said I will clarify this in Samasa class. Ramahacha, Krishnahacha. I don't know whether he is there, but Militanam Anvayaha. So here this is Itaretara. In Samahara also the same thing. Panicha Padaucha Yetesham Samahara. Now this is a Samuhasya. Samuha Padarthasya Anvayaha. Panipadam. So Panipadam is Samuha. It is an indication of both the two hands and the two legs. We want to address this, that as together we want to address it. Therefore we use Samahara Dvandva. Very simple examples. Ramascha Krishnascha, Rama Krishna. Sita cha Ramascha. Now you see here Sita Rama. Sita cha Ramascha, Sita Rama. Lakshmi'scha Saraswati cha, Lakshmi Saraswatyo. Brahma cha Vishnu'scha Devi cha, Brahma Vishnu Devyaha. So now you see, if you observe this, how is the last word of the Samastapada and the Linga and the Vachana of the Samastapada, how is it determined? So we take the Uttarapada. Uttarapada is Pullinga, means we make it Pullinga. And if two words are getting joined, which is Vipada Dvandva, we make it Dvivachana. Rama Krishna, Sita Rama, Dvivachana. If many words are there, Brahma, Vishnu, Devi, we have to use Bahuvachana. And we have to use the Linga of the last word. Devi is Trilinga Ikaranta. So Devi, Devyo, Devyaha. So Brahma, Vishnu, Devyaha. Lakshmi cha Saraswati cha, Lakshmi Saraswatyo, Saraswati, Saraswatyo, Saraswatyaha. So the Linga and the Vachana is of the Uttarapada or the last word in Dvandva Samasa. The Vachana is based on the Padartha Sankhya, how many words are involved. So if it is two words are involved, it is called Dvipada Dvandva and it is Dvivachanam. If many words are involved, it is Bahuvachanam and it is called Bahupada Dvandva. The combination is Subanta and Subanta. In Samahara Dvandva, now we have Putrashcha, Pautrashcha, Yetesham Samaharaha. So by using the word Samahara in the Vigraha Vakya, we want to indicate their group. We want to indicate the group. Therefore, it becomes Putra Pautram. Since it's a group, it becomes Ekavachana. Kakascha Ulukascha Yetesham Samaharaha. Kakolukam. Kakaha is a crow, uluka is an owl. Yetesham samaharaha. Kakolukam. Panicha padaucha yetesham samaharaha panipadam. Dasicha dasascha anayoho samaharaha. Dasi dasam. In some of the cases, the samahara is told to be nitya. Nityam ekavat syat. Like for example, nitya samahara is a place where we have to use the samastapada to indicate the samahara. We can't use the yasta prayoga there. For example, in putra pautram, putrascha pautrascha sarve gachanti, we can tell like that. Putra pautram gachati, we can tell like that also. Now you have a vyasta prayoga and a samasta pada prayoga also, which is possible. It is just a samahara. Whereas in panipadam, it is a nitya samahara. The rule says we have to do the samasa and then only use in a sentence. We will learn these concepts further in when we learn the sutras for it in the Paninian Vyakarana. But let us learn the example. Samahara Dvandva is a group, and here we are going to address the Samastapada as Ekavachana, and it will be a group that we are going to refer to. Since it is Samahara Dvandva, it will always be Napumsakalinga Ekavachana, and the linga is determined because from the samahara shabda, from the samahara dvandva. Because it is samahara and it's a group, we will keep it in napumsakalinga ekavachana. That is the rule. We will do some exercise on this. Who wants to do the exercise? Pragun Puranik.
Ram, sir. Chaitra Vaishakau.
Chaitra Vaishakau. Read the word and then do the sum. Chaitrascha Vaishakascha Chaitra Vaishakau.
Ganga cha Yamuna cha. Ganga Yamune.
Uttamam. Ganga Yamune.
Shivascha Parvati cha. Shiva Parvatyau.
Uttamam.
Lakshmischa Narayanascha. Lakshmi Narayanau.
Uttamam.
Ghatascha Patascha Anayoha Samaharaha Ghatapataha.
Napumsakalinga.
Ghatapatau. Ghata.
It should be Napumsakalinga Ekavachana. Samahara.
Ghatapatam.
Ghatapatam.
Ahischa Nakulascha Anayoha Samaharaha Ahinakulam.
Ahischa is a sarpa. Ghata Nakula is a mongoose. Ahischa Nakulascha Anayoho Samaharaha. Snake and mongoose. Group of snakes and mongoose. So Ahinakulam. Ghatascha Patascha is Gata and Pata. Pata is a cloth. Gata is a pot. Pata is a cloth. Very good. Ram. Andrew Hillan.
Namaskar, sir. Narada Maharshihi Tribhuvane Sancharitum Shaktaha. Tribhuvane is Tribhuvanam, so Samahara Dvandva Samasaha.
No, where is Tribhuvana is Sankhya is there at the Purvapada. When Sankhya is there in the Purvapada,
okay.
It is Dvigu Samasa.
Dvigu Samasa, okay. So Trayanam Bhuvananam Samaharaha.
Tasmin. See, as you said, the best practices or the good practice of doing a samasa is, if in the sentence you are seeing the samastapada in different vibhakti other than prathama vibhakti, we have to reduce the samasa to prathama vibhakti first. We have to do the vigraha vakya, which gives the meaning in prathama vibhakti, and then put a kama and use the tat shabda to indicate that vibhakti. That is the best practice. Some people say trayanam bhuvananam samaharaha. Instead of doing that, bhuvananam. Now in this case it can't be done. Some people try to do directly the vibhakti, but it is not preferred to do the direct vibhakti. The great grammarians, they don't prefer this way. So next sentence you can read, Andrew Mahodaya. Vinayakaha.
Vinayakaha Trilokim Parikrantavan Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha Tam Brahma Vishnu.
Tam, because Trilokim is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha will only make it Triloki, whereas we have to give end the samasa, we have to match the Vigraha Vakya and the Samastapada. The Samastapada is in Dvitiya Vibhakti, therefore we have to use the Tat Shabda, and it is Strilinga, therefore we have to use Tam. Tat Shabda Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Brahma Vishnu Maheshwaraha Timurtayah Santi Brahma cha Vishnushcha Maheshwarascha. I have one question about the Dvandva Samasaha. I had learned that the female, when you have male and female together, should come first. Is that true?
There are many rules regarding which should come first, etc. At the moment, we are not learning that.
Okay.
Maybe I can clarify it later in the mail.
Okay.
Because there is not one rule, there are about 10 rules for that.
Okay.
And those rules, how they work with each other, we have to understand. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
MC Sriram.
Namo Namaha. Radhakumari Dasi Dasena Saha Patigraham Gatha. Dasyascha Dasascha Tesham Samaharaha Ten.
Tena. So Dasyascha. Dasascha. So in those days, when the Rajakumari is sent after marriage to the other king's house, he will also send the servants, a set of servants, male servants, female servants, everybody will go. So that is the bhava of this sentence. Dasi dasena, dasyascha, dasascha, tesham samahara. So this is a samahara because we indicate the set of servants. So I am going to send my Rajakumari along with her servants. So dasi dasena saha. So we have this kind of prayogas.
So the word would be dasi dasam is the samastapada.
Samastapada.
Right?
Dasi das. Tritiya vibhakti.
And when in the seventh case it becomes dasena.
Seventh case no. Seventh case no. Tritiya
I'm sorry,
vibhakti.
third case. Right. Tritiya vibhakti. Sorry.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Yes, I'm sorry. I made a mistake there. Lakshmi Saraswatyau Dhanasya Vidyascha Adidevate.
Vidyayascha adidevate.
Vidyayascha Adidevate. Lakshmicha Saraswaticha. Lakshmicha Saraswaticha.
Very good.
Vayyakaranaha Ashtadhyayim Parishilayanti. Ashtanam Adhyayanam Samaharaha.
Adhyayanam
Samaharaha Tam.
Because Ashtadhyayi is Strilinga, we have to do Tam. Ashtadhyayim is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. We have to end it in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada.
Radhika Raghavan.
Namaste Mahodaya. Bhaktah saptashatyaah parayanam karoti. Saptanam shatanam samaharah tasyaah digu samasah. Sapta.
Uttamam.
Saptashati.
Saptashatyaah. Very good.
Vatsa panipadam prakshalya agaccha. Pani cha padau cha etesham samaharah. Tat. Panipadam. Dvanda. Itare. Samahara dvanda.
Samahara dvanda. Especially in this COVID situation, anybody coming into the house, we say we should use this Panipadam. Samahara dvanda. Panipadam prakshalya agaccha. Panipadam prakshalya saphenakam. Phenakena saha prakshalya agaccha. Use the soap, wash the hands and come inside. Panipadam prakshalya agaccha. In olden days, they were keeping water outside the house to wash and then come inside the house. Now COVID is making us do all those things.
Manavaha krododvega bhayaihi vimuktah bhavet. Krodascha udvegascha bhayicha taihi.
Bhayancha.
Bhayancha.
Krodascha udvegascha bhayancha.
Kroda udvega bhayam. Itaretara dvandvaha.
Very good. Tritiya vibhakti of that is by tai.
Taihi.
Tai.
Dhanyavada.
Pragya, can you do the balance 3 sentences?
Mahodaya. भीमार्जुनौ उभौ अपि सूरौ एव भीमश्च अर्जुनश्च गुरवे फलपुष्पं समर्पयामः फलानि च पुष्पाणि च आहारः धर्मार्थकाममोक्षाः पुरुषार्थाः धर्मश्च अर्थश्च कामश्च मोक्षश्च
Dharmartha kama moksha. Very good. These are the purusharthas. So itaretara dvandva samasa. In Phalapushpam we have samahara dvandva. In Bhimarjuna we have dvipada itaretara yoga dvandva samasa. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः महोदय
Dhanyavadaha. Last set of exercises, because it is the exercises which makes us strong. So don't mind, we will complete in 5 minutes. Annapurna Bhagini.
चतुर्णानां समुद्राणां समाहारः
Chaturnam, that's all. Chaturnam.
चतुर्समुद्रः
It should be in Napunsakalinga because Samahara.
चतुर् समुद्रं
Chatus Samudram. Samahara Dvigu. It is not Dvandva. The moment you see the word Samahara, you should not think that it is Dvandva. In Dvigu also, it is Yekavat Syat.
जाया च पतिश्च जाया
Patihi Pati Patayaha.
जाया पति
Itaretara Dvandva.
माता च पिता च माता पितरौ.
So if it is Itaretara Dvandva, it becomes Mata Pitarau. Whereas we have a shloka called Jagatav Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. Pitarau refers to parents. That is another vritti called Ekashesha vritti. It is not a Samasa vritti. It is an Ekashesha vritti. So Ekashesha is not Dvandva. First we should understand that. Mata cha pita cha mata pitarau itaretara dvandva is also correct. Mata cha pitarau is also correct. Now pitarau is not samasa. It is a ekashesha. That means ekashesha. Out of the two, one remains. Ekashesha. What remains? Normally the pullinga remains. That is the rule. As if there is strilinga and a pullinga, we will jointly address them with pullinga. It means strilinga may also be there. So mata cha pita cha will be pitarau.
Pitarau. But it includes mata also.
It includes mata also in ekasesha. But it is not a dvandva samasa. It is an ekasesha vritti. Just like how krit vritti we are having krit, kridanta, tadita. Like that, ekasesha is a separate vritti, which we have to learn. It is why we don't teach it along with Dvandva Samasa is because people will confuse it with Dvandva Samasa. Next one.
Hemantascha shishirascha vasantascha. Hemanta shishira vasantaah.
Hemanta shishira vasantaah. Very good. Bahupada Dvandva itaretara yoga.
Trayanam Vedanam Samaharah.
This is a word which we have all heard. In North India, people will have surnames like that.
Trivedi.
Trivedi. Trivedi. It's a Dvigu Samasa. Because it has Sankhya at the Dhanyavada. Usha Chandrasekharan.
Namaste ji. Sabdascha Arthascha.
Shabdartho. Itaretara Dvandva. Very good.
Janma cha mrityu cha. Janma mrityu.
Janma mrityu. Very good. Mrityuhu mrityu mrityavaha. Janma mrityu. Itaretara.
Dvanda. Gauscha Vyagarascha Anayoho Samaharaha. Gavyagram.
No, first we have to make Gau, we have to convert it to Pratipadika. What is the Pratipadika of Gau? Okaranta, Linga or Strilinga. Go. Go. Vyagrascha is Vyagra. So go
So-
Vyagra and then make it Napumsakalinga. That's all.
Go Vyagram
That's all.
Samahara.
That's all. Dashanam Shlokanam Samaharaha.
Dasa Shloki.
Dasha Shloki. Dasha Shloki Digu Samasa.
Dvigu Samasada.
Next one.
Prithvi cha Aparascha
Apascha.
Prithvi cha Apascha Tejascha Vayuscha Akasascha. Prithvi Tejo Vayvagarascha. Prithvi
Prithivyap Tejo Vayu Vyakashaha. Sandhi we have to make. Ikara plus Akara will become Yakara. End Sandhi.
Prithvibhyo Vyakasha. Prithvibhyo Vyakasha.
No, Prithivyap Tejo Vayu-Akashaha. Prithivyap Tejo Vayu-Akashaha.
Prithvibhyo Vayu-Vyakashaha. Dvandva Samasaka. Idaratara Dvanda.
So the Pratipadika of Apa is up. The Pratipadika of Prithvi is Prithvi only. So Prithvi up, Tejas. Tejas will become Tejo. Vayu will become Vayu, Ukara. Ukara plus Akara. Akasha will become Va. U plus A will become Va. End Sandhi. So here E plus A will become Ya. So Prithivyap Tejo Vaivakashaha.
Supposing I don't get the Samasta Padam, if I use Vigraha set as such, can I use it?
No. Samasta Padam is Prithivyap Tejo Vaivakashaha. In this case, you can use Itaretara Yoga, you can use separately also. You need not make the Samasta Pada as well. In this case, you can use. But in order to get the Samasta Padam, the most important thing is you should know the Pratipadika form. Because we will be thinking about Apa and we will be trying to combine Apa with Teja. Then up Tejo will not come. Ap Tejo will come. But the Pratipadika of Apa is up. So that we have to note.
Yeah. I'm going by the meaning, That's why.
Meaning is important. In Samasa, meaning we have to understand. But to form the Samasta Pada, we should know the Pratipadika. Okay, these I will give in the exercises. These are shlokas anyway. Okay, we will complete here. We will stop here. Dhanyavadaha.